Hello and welcome. Today I want us to look at the if function. Let me just write it here. If function. And I'm going to show you how you can use this if function to make decision on MS Excel sheet. And I'm going to use a sample of student data. These are the student marks after they sat for 4 exams in mathematics, English, geography, and science. The first thing, of course, is to determine the total marks for each student. And in that case, I'm going to use the sum function. Just write sum, and I will click it from the list, and I will just select the 4 subjects, and I will just press enter. I will just apply the same formula downwards by pulling this total like this using the formula handle. Next is to determine the grade. By grade, we simply mean first we are going to calculate the average mark across the 4 subjects. Average simply shows the performance of a student across a number of subjects. And I'm going to use the average function to do that. Just type average and you'll see it in the list, double click it. Now I will go ahead and select from mathematics to science. Remember, total is not a subject, so avoid it, don't select it. I press enter, and I will just finish up by pulling this formula handle. And you can see I have some decimal places. I'm going to round off by just selecting all the marks and coming to the decrease decimal icon. I will click it until I don't have any decimal places. Now coming to our if function, one way of assigning grade is just by using my mind. If I look at this grading key here, anything which is 50 and above is a pass, and anything below 50 is a fail. So I can manually come here and give this person a pass, and this person I can give a pass because it is above 50. Even this one is a pass. This is a pass. This is a fail. And this is a pass. And this is also a pass. This one is okay. You can do like this. But if you have many students, like 200, 300, 1,000, doing it manual like this is wasting a lot of time, and there are high chances of making errors. To solve that problem, you just need to use if function, and if function is very easy to apply. The most important thing to know is about this equality symbol. This means greater than or equal to. This is very important, and it is used in the if function. This is a comparison operator which we are going to use, greater than or equal to. And this is how I'm going to use if function with the greater than or equal to symbol. The first thing is to come here, put equal sign for the formula, and I'm going to type the word if. Then I will select it from the list by double clicking it. You can see the if function has 3 parts. The first one is what we call logical test. The middle part is the value if this logical test is true, and finally is the value which it will insert in this cell if this logical test is false. So I will begin by picking the value which I want to test by just clicking it. You can see it is now inserting the cell reference H4. Then I will apply my greater than or equal to sign. And remember, from my grading system, we are checking if something is 50 and above, and we are giving it a pass. So I'm going to write here 50. What does this mean? This simply means check what is in cell H4 if it is greater than or equal to 50. And if it is greater than or equal to 50, I'm going to use double quotation marks and putting the text pass. That is according to this key. If it is greater than or equal to 50, in this cell for the grade, it should insert pass. Then I will put another comma, and you can see I am moving to the third part, which is now in bold. In case this test is false, the value which will be inserted should be fail. So I'm going to use double quotation marks and writing the word fail. Then you can press enter, or you can close with the bracket like this, then press enter. And you can see the if function has already been executed, and it is showing me a pass for 8. I will go ahead and just drag this handle down, and you can see everything is correct. There is only one fail, the rest are pass. That is how we use the if function in MX Excel. Go ahead, try this. See you next time. Bye bye.